Okay, it's already 1 o'clock. Okay, let's start. Wafer here. Let's start. Okay, start from number one about the isotope. Magnesium and radium are elements in group 2 of the periodic table. Magnesium has 3 isotopes, but uh, radium has another isotopes. Explain the meaning of the term isotope. Let me ask from Vanessa. Vanessa, what is the
Yes.
meaning of isotope?
Isotope of an element has the same number of protons, but they have different numbers of neutrons, hence
Yes,
different nuclear number.
yes, correct. So, isotopes are element or are atoms of the same elements that they have the same number of protons, different number of neutrons. Okay, now let's do B. A sample of magnesium has the following isotopic composition by mass. Calculate the relative atomic mass of magnesium to 4 significant figures. Okay, so for this question, let me ask from T cell.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, for this question B, find the relative atomic mass of magnesium to 4 significant figures.
24.33.
24.33.
33.
Yes, correct. Okay, and then for this one, next question. Radium proton number of 88 and uranium proton number of 92 are radioactive elements. The isotope radium-226 is produced by radioactive decay of uranium isotope 238 uranium. Complete the table below to show the atomic structures of the isotopes 226 radium and uranium 238. Let me ask from uh, Timothy. Hello, Timothy.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Can you help us to tell this one?
Um,
So, um, for radium 226, how many protons are there?
um, um, 88.
Yes.
Wait.
How many neutrons?
Yeah, 88.
Yeah. The neutrons of radium is
138.
yes, correct. And then uranium, how many protons are there in uranium?
Uranium 92.
Yes, and then the neutrons, how many neutrons are there in uranium 230?
146. 146.
Yes, correct. Okay. Now D. Radium, like other two elements, forms a number of ionic compounds. What is the formula for radium cation? For this question, let me ask Sharon. Sharon, what is the formula for radium cation? Hello, Sharon. For radium cation. Yes, Sharon, can you tell us?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, the formula for radium cation is uh, Ra.
Ra2 plus.
Exactly. Yes, correct. Correct, Sharon. And then the number D2. Use the data booklet to suggest a value for the energy required to form 1 mole of gaseous radium cation you have given in 1 from 1 mole of gaseous radium atoms. Let me ask to Natasha. Natasha, for this one, you really need a data booklet. Okay, data booklet.
Yes, teacher.
Do you have you downloaded data booklet? Data
Teacher, I
booklet.
don't have the data booklet.
Now, data booklet you can download from Google. There is A-level data booklet, A-level chemistry data booklet for
Okay.
2016, from 2016. In this data booklet that I share on the screen, which one is radium? Okay, I move to the
I
second,
can't see.
the next page, the last page of the uh, first ionization energy, the successive ionization energy of various elements. What is the first ionization energy of radium?
Teacher, I don't see any RA.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. There is no there is no uh, value for Ra. Then, but the question in A level asks use data booklet to suggest a value for energy required to form 1 mole of gaseous radium cation. How? This is 2 marks. How do you get it, Natasha? You can
Um,
you cannot use
is it
internet
becoming
because in
radon?
the offline test you sit and then in front of you paper. How can you search it from internet? Can you
Is it
yes?
becoming radon?
Braden, what is the prediction of what is your prediction of the first ionization energy?
Wait, sorry, teacher, I can't hear you.
What is your prediction for the value of the first ionization energy of radium? What is your prediction?
Around I think more than 1000.
For the first ionization energy, more than 1000. More than 1000. Why is it more than 1000? Okay, Natasha, this is the question in here in A level. They require you to analyze and then also inferring. This one, what is the group of barium? What is the group of barium?
Group 2.
Radium,
Also group 2.
group 2. Is radium below barium or radium above barium?
Radium is below barium.
Exactly, below barium. Now, what is the trend of the first ionization energy for elements down the group?
The first ionization energy decreases.
Decreases. So, radium, the value, prediction around
Oh, is it below 500?
must be below 500. It must be. But
Okay.
what is the exact value is not necessary for us to know what is the exact value, but it must be less than 500 too. Is it 500? Could be. Is it 400? Could be. Right? And then what is the in the question here? The answer that Sharon gave for D1 was Ra2 plus. Am I right, Natasha?
Yes.
Yeah. So if there is Ra2 plus, is the radium undergo first ionization energy or second ionization energy
Second.
or third?
Second.
Second. So if there is a first and there is a second, what is the value of the second ionization energy of radium?
Is it 966?
No. How come the second
Below
ionization energy of radium is the same as second ionization energy of barium?
It's below
Must be less than
966.
966, right? So must be less than 100, less than 966. Could be 900, could be 800, but must be below 966, and of course cannot be zero. And then so the first ionization energy plus the second ionization energy is the total energy required. Okay, so total energy required. And then so what is the prediction of the value?
Around 1400.
Yes, if a student answer 1200, Is it correct?
It could be.
Yeah, it is correct. It is correct. But should not be more than
Should not be below.
1,400 above. Cannot be, because the barium itself is 1,480 68, right? So the radium should be less than that. Okay. Now, second question.
Teacher.
The
Teacher.
element, yes, Natasha.
So how do we answer it? So we just say like it should not be above 1,400.
No, you have to pick a number and write the method. So first ionization energy equals to 460 kilojoule, and then second ionization energy is 800. So total is 1,260 kilojoule. That is kilojoule per mole. That is what the
Also, we can take any.
yeah.
So we can take any value.
Yes,
Oh,
of
okay.
course. It's not this one, because the question is here written suggest a value. Suggest a value means any number, but should be less than the barium and must not be 0.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Yeah. Okay, and then second question, the element magnesium proton number 12 is a metal which is used in many alloys which are strong and light. Magnesium has several naturally occurring isotopes. Vanessa already give us the answer of the isotope already. Now for the magnesium. Magnesium is not difficult, this one. So let me ask Nargis. Nargis, for the isotope magnesium 24, how many protons are there?
So the protons and electrons are 12 and the neutrons are also 12.
Yes. For magnesium 26,
So
for magnesium 26, the proton and electrons are
426 or 24.
for 26.
The audio is not clear, teacher.
Oh, the 26 magnesium 26. For magnesium 26,
Oh, proton and electrons are 12 and the neutrons are 15.
yes, okay, neutrons are 14.
Yeah, protons and electrons are 12.
Yeah, correct. Okay, for the question C, it is the same as T-cell's answer. T-cell already answered on the previous number. This is just repetition. What does it mean by repetition? These questions are collected from year to year of A-level past paper. So it means this question can be repeated. Okay. Next question, antimony proton 51 is another element which is used in alloys. Magnesium and antimony each react when heated separately in chlorine. Construct a balanced equation for the reaction between magnesium and chlorine. Let me ask to Let me ask to Vedika. Hello, Vedika.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, can you help us to tell the equation, the balance equation between magnesium and chlorine?
Yes.
Yeah. You want to do annotation, Vedika?
Oh, okay. Wait, teacher, how do I do it?
Oh, you see on the buttons, there is a sign mute me video recorder, and then there is participants chat. Next to chat, there is annotate.
Yeah.
Do you find? Ah, yeah, that's correct.
Teacher, I already request.
Yeah, I approve the request. So now you can do the annotation. Yeah, correct.
Um, teacher, I think it's like that.
Yeah, the Cl here must be Cl2 because chlorine must exist as a molecule. Okay, okay, Vedika. Is annotation difficult,
Yes, teacher.
Vedika?
No, but I don't know. I could not write it properly.
Oh, it's okay because it's writing using what's that, mouse, or using uh this one, the mouse pad. It's not as easy as writing with pen. Okay, next question. When 2.45 sample of antimony was heated in chlorine under suitable conditions, 4.57 gram of chloride A were formed. So E, let me ask to Nathan V. Nathan V, are you there? Nathan V?
Hello?
Hello, Nathan V. Can you find the amount of moles?
The amount of moles of antimony.
Yeah. Are you using your desktop or laptop?
I'm using my desktop, but I could not use that. The
Annotation.
yep, I cannot use it.
Okay.
I don't know why. I don't know.
So amount of
Hmm.
moles. How many moles are there?
Amount of moles. Wait, let me search for the atomic mass of antimony. Antimony atomic mass. Come on, internet. Okay, so we have 2.45
Yeah.
divided by 51.
Huh?
2.45 divided by
Are you sure?
51.
Antimony is
51.
51.
Wait a minute. Oh, wait, is that, wait. It's actually 1 to 1, not 51. 1 to 1.
One.
Atomic mass. 1